Hey there, my name's Cole Bowden, and welcome to the Firebolt Workshop. In this series, we'll be exploring how Firebolt works, what it is, and how you want to use it. In this first video in that series, we'll be explaining what Firebolt does differently and better than other data warehouses. Firebolt is a data warehouse built specifically for low-latency, high-concurrency applications. Through a number of unique optimizations, such as our sub-result reuse, aggregating indexes, and our history-based optimizer, Firebolt is able to deliver query experiences where users can submit and receive results faster than the blink of an eye. Latency is generally sub-second for most queries, and that allows Firebolt to power very responsive, interactive data experiences. This means that you can build apps where you are backing your application with SQL and Firebolt, and though users can comb through data, they can select different filters, they can analyze this data, and your application will be responsive, interactive, and engaging for those users. Instead of making them wait, they'll feel as if things are snappy, responsive, and instantaneous. And that's the power of Firebolt. Thanks to these optimizations and its very efficient speed, Firebolt generally tends to be less expensive and more powerful than other data warehouses, and in order to match its performance, most other data warehouses are going to require a much higher bill. So while Firebolt offers the speeds of an OLAP engine, it also offers the functionality of everything you'd expect from a modern data warehouse. One of the core tenets of this is the separation of storage and compute. You can create, resize, and scale various engines as your compute layer. Those connect to a metadata service that interacts between your compute and storage. And then you can create various databases underneath that store your data in a number of different tables. Now, each engine can write to each database. Metadata connects between these two to make sure that everything stays in sync, and guarantees that Firebolt can deliver that data warehouse functionality and still go as fast as you need it to. Now, on top of delivering the separation of storage and compute, Firebolt also offers fully ACID transactions. That means that when you write, delete, or update values, you have atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. This guarantees that when you go to write your data, you'll either completely succeed or completely fail at doing so. You don't have to worry about double writes or half writes, or your data may end up incorrect and require some additional cleanup. Now, the storage layer in Firebolt is generally in the Firebolt file format, or F3, where we use tablets to store your data and sparsely index it so that access and retrieval is much faster. However, Firebolt also supports the iceberg table format, so you have open access to your data and interoperability with other engines and compute layers. On top of this, while Firebolt generally runs in the cloud, it has an on-prem offering called Firebolt Core that you can install and manage yourself. Thanks for watching this video, and look forward to the rest of the Firebolt Workshop series, where we'll be going into lots of depth about everything that makes Firebolt blaze.